Hi everyone, I'm Shanna, your photobook master. If you are working on a photo book and the built-in designer that you're using doesn't have the embellishments you're looking for, no worries, you can create your own. I'm going to teach you how to do that using Canva. Let's get started. Before we jump right into Canva, I want you to think about your photo book and what types of embellishments you may want to add. Maybe you're looking for something delicate like florals or greenery, or maybe you're working on a travel book and you'd like a few travel icons, or maybe a simple decorative frame or two would enhance your design. Once you're logged into Canva, you'll go ahead and create a design. I usually start with a custom size and I decide from here how big I'm going to make it. I go to inches. Generally, when I'm creating embellishments for a photo book, I will start with an 8x8 canvas size. That will give me plenty of space to create embellishments that aren't enormous, but I can upscale if I need to. You can put your size in here and then you can go ahead and create new design. Canva has a huge selection of design elements. If you type in keywords like gold frame or watercolor leaves or flourish, you will surely find the perfect piece for your book. Now, some online designers will have all the pieces that you need or want, and that is fantastic. But if you find that there's a print shop you want to use and they don't offer the elements you would like, this is an option. Now, one of the best parts of using Canva is that you can customize most elements so that they perfectly match your photo book. So let's go ahead and select an element. I'm just going to click on this arrow that I happen to have right here. Now it is actually sitting on my page, just that the arrow color right now is white. If I click on this color option, I can see these are my brand colors, and then there are all sorts of other colors I can choose from. Or if you click on this add new color, you can choose absolutely any color available. We'll leave the arrow red. You'll have the ability to resize, although you can do that also in Picto once you have added this image to your design. But for now, we'll get it to a size where I feel like I can add it and use it wherever I'd like. Let's go ahead and look for another one. I'm going to search in the elements section here for greenery. I'll say see all, and this gives us so many great options. There's a nice embellishment. I simply start a new page and I can add any of the other ones in that I really, really like. This frame is pretty. That one. Canva also works well because you have complete control over most of the elements. You can adjust the color, the size, you can really make it a cohesive look with the rest of your book. Now this is the important step. How do we export these images so that we can properly upload them into our photo book? We're going to hit the share button, and what we want to do is download. So now we have some options. File type, there are many options here for file type. We want to leave it on PNG file or PNG. Size, probably fine, that whatever default it comes up as is going to be fine, because as I said before, generally these elements will be smaller when they're added to our pages, so it's okay to leave as is. The key is to click the button beside transparent background. That means when you upload these images into your photo book, it won't be a white square with the greenery on top of the white square. If we make the background transparent, it will show up as simply the greenery. So all 6 pages are going to download, and that's fine, and I will hit download. Now, I didn't title the design when I exported it, so right now it's showing up as an untitled design, but this is a zip file that downloaded from Canva. So I'm going to unzip that, and now I can see here that I have my images over there on the right. So now what I need to do is open up Picto again and import these images into my project. Now, because I always have my photo book designer set to hide the photos I've used, I want the embellishments I've created to be handy. I take all the new ones I've added, I put them on the back cover of my book. They're all here to see. Whenever I'm on a page and I feel like I'd like to use an embellishment, I simply click on the cover, find the one I would like, copy, go back to my page and paste it on the page that I'm working on. Once all of your embellishments are in place, you review your pages from start to finish to make sure everything looks balanced. Less is often more, so use embellishments Sparingly, you want to complement but not overwhelm your photos. Also, before you print your book, go back to your cover and delete that stash. And that's it. Now you know how to create your own embellishments using Canva and how to import them into your photo book. It's a great way to add a unique, personalized detail that matches your style perfectly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, ask questions. I'd love to hear from you, and I would love to have you following along for all our tips and tutorials.